There's a couple of ways you can like a text message on Android phones. The quick way is to simply double tap the message. The message gets a cool little thumbs up and everyone is happy. Another way to like and react to messages is to long press a message. You'll get a little pop-up menu with different emojis and reactions, and you can either choose from the suggested options or tap the white emoji button on the right to choose a custom emoji. You can go with the traditional thumbs up or any other emoji to react to messages. One thing to be aware of is that liking messages only works on RCS-based conversations. Most modern phones and carriers support RCS, and you can see what your conversation is using in the text field above your keyboard. If your recipient's phone or carrier doesn't support RCS and the conversation is based on the older SMS protocol, they'll simply get a text message saying you liked their message, spelled out, with no emojis or thumb-up graphics. That's how you like messages. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.